Hey all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you all doing well. Today, I have got something super exciting lined up for you all. Diving into the world of track-focused hypercar, which was inspired by the Formula 1 and proudly named after the legendary Ayrton Senna, honoring his legacy and achievement with McLaren. But that's not all. I have got a miniature version of this diecast to unbox. Check out this stunning red and black color combo that gives the diecast car a seriously cool vibe. With its sturdy feel, awesome details, and 10-spoke rubber wheels which glide smoothly. I think it's a collector's dream to have this. And if you're a fan of race car, especially the McLaren, this one definitely deserved a spot in your collection. So what are your thoughts on this hypercar? Leave a comment and let me know. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And as always, keep exploring, keep smiling and happy collecting.